You were my first love, you changed my life. I can't help it, I still dream about you. So beautiful in the warm summer sun, and I can't stand to go anywhere without you. We were made for each other, and there's no place I'd rather be than tearing down a country road, just you and me. Thank you, Lord, for my Ford. You came along and took my breath away. Thank you, Lord, for my Ford. I'm on my knees and all I've got to say is thank you, Lord, for my Ford. You rock my world like no other girl. Strong and tough, and I sure like that body. You never let me down, girl, you know your way around. You're a classic certified all-American hottie. We were made for each other. The only thing I wanna do is get on the road and drive, going anywhere with you. Thank you, Lord, for my Ford. You came along and took my breath away.